everyone, Ian here, Manderscheid Media. We're at Riv's Classic Car Sales here, Saskatoon, 2634 Faithful Avenue. And I want to show you this one. So this car came in for service. I want to talk, I guess this video is about the car for sure, and it is about just knowing where this customer had a concern and should have and felt the concern, which was great. But so what we do here is classics only. So when you're looking at, whatever your vehicle may be, it's, Chevy, behind there's a Charger, there's a GT500 over here, and stuff all over. I mean, if you've come through the showroom, we definitely have classics everywhere. It runs through our veins. Muscle cars, classics, hot rods, that's our DNA, our fabric here. So the customer was taking this out for a drive, and the steering didn't feel right. And made an appointment, got it towed over here, and it needed some major attention. Just stuff being loose. And they acquired this not that long ago. And again, you don't know everything. So what we do, or what we offer, is we offer pre-purchase inspections, front to back, left to right, top to bottom, or just, you purchased it and you need some service work. Well, that's us. So we are, we have, I'll maybe give you a walkabout here after. We have a 68 Firebird that's here. We have a 63 Willys, and they're all, it's all makes, all models, but classics still just the same. But this one here specifically, there was some steering components that needed to be attended to, so we got them squared away. And basic service, check the fluids, the transmission, change the engine oil. If you're just purchasing a vehicle and you're uncertain, your easiest form of maintenance is change the oils. Really, like, easiest form of maintenance. You don't know maybe what flavor of oils in the crankcase and the engine, or maybe what transmission oils in the transmission or rear differential, just the same. Lots of times brake fluid systems don't get flushed, and they say the average life expectancy of brake fluid is 2 years. Now, that may be a little bit of a stretch, but that's what, industry says. But some of these maybe don't even move for 2 years. Mine didn't move for 2 years while the engine was out of it. So some of this can be, with a grain of salt, but this car is really, really nice. So I do want to take you for a walk around, but we're in the back shop at Riv's, and that's just the other element to what we have here to offer. So that's, again, I want to show you what we have. So yeah, storage hoist in the backside. Some of them we do work on those, but our main working hoist is over here where the Malibu is. So anyway, without any further ado, I'm going to slice and then do the walkabout with you. All right, stay tuned, hang tight. All right, as promised, here's the walkabout. Now, these Malibu, high Chevelles, and this one is a Malibu, but this body style, I think 66. That 65, 66, 67. Now, the GM guys are probably going to light me up here on the comments, but this era of car, I like red and black, and this one is done very nice. I'm a convertible guy. I don't have any hair to blow around in the wind, but I do like a drop top, whether it's a Ford, Chevy, Chrysler, whatever. I do like convertibles. Some don't, and again, it's all personal preference. It doesn't matter to me whether you like it or not. We're not going to have a fist fight over it, that's for sure. This is a stunning looking car. It's done very well underneath. It's very, very clean. So it was brought in. I don't know exactly when the customer purchased it. We're going to say a year ago, maybe. I'm not 100%, like I said, but it is super nice. And, again, dual exhaust. It's a very stout small block in here. Automatic. I think it's turbo 350, I think is what I seen. It was up, turbo 350. Okay, now buckets, console, automatic. I like it. I do. And like I said before, I like black and red. If it's a 70 Chevelle, I'm going to veer away from red. I don't necessarily be a red fan. There was a white one at the Dragons Car Show this year. If by chance you're watching this video, huge high five to you. I don't know who owns it, but it was LS6 4-speed. And it was white with the stripes and black interior. That thing was sexy. And I do like 70 Chevelles also. I'm not a huge red 70 Chevelle guy. I like this body style in red. So it's got the clock option in the console. Does have a couple aftermarket things, but the radio is aftermarket. It looks like the looking original, but not Bluetooth. But get a gauge cluster at the bottom. It does have the basic setup here. So we have, well, I guess another clock. I guess so. And then the fuel gauge, so wipers, lights, and all that's here, and then our basic steering wheel. I do believe, let's go have a look. I mean, it's super clean. I'm guessing it's, restoration was not that long ago, and a lot of the right pieces. How's the latch system work on a Chevy? Oh yeah, up there. I'm used to the ones up here that are Chrysler underneath the sun visors, but latches are here. We'll leave the top up. But yeah, done very nice. All the bars and stuff are all put up there, painted all real well. Nice fit and finish. Yeah, really nice. There's not much a whole option wise in the interior. Could have maybe the inserted seats and such with the cloth, but I mean ashtrays, those are standard back then. Standard ashtrays. Hey, let's go crack the lid. I do like, again, that hood. It is, it's a bit of a looks beefy. I might need both hands here to crack this hood, which I do. There we go. Okay, small block. Again, stout small block. Got a Holly or a quick fuel on it. Carburetor. I do it again. Those valve covers, aftermarket, but nice aluminum rad. Slight modification, but again, this is still a very, very respectable car. Power steering, power brakes. What do we got for the body tag? I think that's a 613, I think. Yeah, well, I mean, it's convertible for sure, but I think the VIN number was a 613. I'm learning. Again, Chevy guys, don't beat me up here too much. I'm learning. I eat, sleep, and breathe Mopar, but I do love these all. I really do. This Charger, there's a video done on this Charger. That's an original owner car. Bought that brand new in Humboldt. Restored it in Waka. It's here for a couple of small pieces. Easy peasy. Should be done here real soon. Actually, I'm putting the decals under the hood. They were late coming in when he did the car. So tonight, that's my job tonight, is put the decals under the hood correctly. And then, yeah, the GT500, the Firebird, the Willys. Chevelle's the customers. Again, I've done a video on that one here before. My Hemi Roadrunner sticking over there. And then we have an M5 for sale. An 07 M5 that came in. And then everything else that we have here. So, yeah, it's after hours. So I'm here covertly. And boom. So anyway, yes, thanks again for watching. As always, there's our 1-2 poster, and then our other ramp hoist over there. So yeah, thanks again for watching. If you're looking for service work on your classics, look us up. We're your team. Riv Classic Car Sales, 2634 Faithful Avenue in Saskatoon. And yeah, we just eat, sleep, and breathe this stuff. So we want to make sure that all your rides are well taken care of for future use. So anyway, take care. Bye for now. There'll be more videos coming down the trail. All right. Bye for now.